Good evening. Now we are going to start cooling down, but first today we saw some warmer temperatures with highs getting up into the 80s across the area. The highest getting up to 83 up in Champaign and down in Effingham. But as we look at our current conditions at the 10 p.m. hour, we are beginning to see those temperatures drop down into the upper 60s, along with some rain and thunderstorms beginning to move out of our area on the eastern portion of our viewing area. As we move overnight tonight, we're going to see those temperatures continue to drop to a low of 67 degrees, along with a chance of some thunderstorms and winds blowing out of the south at 15 to 20 miles per hour. So we're going to see some stronger winds tonight, along with that chance of thunderstorms, and you'll see that chance of thunderstorms move in as we look at our futurecast and move quickly through our area as we move overnight tonight. So not a lot of precipitation, but still a chance for some stronger winds and large hail as we move overnight tonight. As we look at tomorrow morning, we will see partly cloudy skies and maybe a chance of some scattered showers here in Paris and Terre Haute. But as we move throughout the day, we will see mostly clear skies throughout the day tomorrow, along with a high of 69 degrees tomorrow. We are going to see clouds decreasing as we move throughout the day, eventually leaving us with clear skies to finish off our evening. We're also going to see those winds begin to pick up as we move throughout the day tomorrow, with winds blowing out of the south-southwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour. Now, these winds are going to continue to stick with us as we move throughout our week and weekend. But first, we're going to see a cool down on Wednesday with a high of 69 degrees. And then that cool down is going to continue on Thursday with a high of 68 degrees, along with some rain Thursday night, which is going to continue to cool us down. Now, after all that rain has moved through our system, we are expected to get around an inch of rain across the area, which will begin to cool us down. We are expected to be below average for this time of year, that average typically being in the upper 60s for April. And as we look at our 7-day, we're definitely going to be dropping down below the upper 60s. We're going to see that high of 69 first tomorrow, and then a slow cool down on Thursday with a high of 68 degrees, along with that overnight rain. And then as we finish off our work week, we're going to cool down into the upper 50s with a high of 58. And then that cool down will continue as we start our weekend with a high of 54 on Saturday and a slight warm up on Sunday with a high of 55 degrees. And then we'll reach the 60s again as we start next work week. We will see a slight cool down on Tuesday with a high of 51 degrees. So we will see some drier conditions looking forward, but a cool down nonetheless. That's a look at your Skywatch forecast. Have a great evening.